Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to display or print files, folders, and subfolders of a given drive or folder using recursion. So, what is the meaning, friends? Suppose if you see here, in our computers, we have logical drives, say C drive, D drive, E drive, like that. In my machine, I have C drive, D drive, E drive, like that. Each and everyone is having like this, right? Different drives. Suppose if I give D drive, what D drive contains, friends? It contains some folders and files as well. Again, if you go to some other folder, if you see, suppose I am selecting Java projects, then what I have, what about these things, friends? It contains some folders and files, friends. Suppose if I give D drive, so I have to display all the folders and files. Again, if you take cloud storage, or if you take, what is that project, then what will be happened? It should be going to in that folder. It should display all the files, and again, if it is having any folders, we have to display that folders as well, friends. So like that is the requirements. Okay, for this one, by using recursion, it is very easy, friends. And for that one, what I am doing is just I am using one file class that is available in. So what are the methods I am going to use? Very simple, friends. Just I am using java.io.file class. In that file, I am using different methods. The first method is exists, friends. So what is the meaning of exists? If the folder or if the file is available or not, it will check. And the boolean type, the return type is boolean. It will return true or false, friends. If the file is available, it will return true. If the file is not available, it will return false. Okay. And one more thing I will use, say is directory. One method is there, friends. So what is the use of this one? If the given item is file or directory, it will check. If it is directory, it will also return one boolean. If the given input is directory, then it will give you true. If the given item is not directory, then it will give you false, friends. Okay. And one more thing is list files. One method is there, friends. And the return type is uh, files array. It will give you, friends. So all the files will be copied into this one. Then later we can iterate this one, friends. Okay. So let's get into the implementation part. It's very easy, friends. It's not difficulty, I think. So already I have taken one class name. The name of the class is called list files. I have taken one main method. Now what I am doing is I am creating one object for file class, say this one. In this one, you have to pass one directory name or folder name. You can pass it. You can give C drive, D drive, or E drive. Or if you want to check folders and files in a particular folder, you can give folder name as well, friends. Just I am giving C drive, friends. Say C, like that I am giving. Okay. This input is, you can read. This is string only, friends. So from the keyboard, you can read it and you can pass it here itself. Okay, one object has been created. Now what I am checking, whether the input, this is a valid one or not, I am checking, friends. So how we are going to check? See here, I am taking one if condition, friends. Here I am taking one else block. So what is the condition here? The first one is f dot exists. See, friends, I already explained, right? One method is there. The name of the method is exists. So what is the return type? Boolean. So what it will do here? If the file is available, it will return true. Otherwise, it will false. And one more condition we have to check, friends. What is that? It should be is directory. It should be directory, friends. So what is the return type? Can you check here? Boolean, friends. So it will return true. If it is directory, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false, friends. Okay. And of course, C drive is a one type of directory, like folder. Okay. So if the condition is true, then what will be happen? What I am checking is um, the name should be exists, the file should be exists, file or directory should be exists, and it should be a directory. If both are conditions satisfied, then I'll write my own logic here. So if any of the condition, if the file is not available or if it is not directory, then what will be happen? Else block will be executed. Then what I am writing? Very simple. Directly I am writing invalid directory. I am writing, friends. friends. I think else block is done. Now I'm going to this one. So what I am doing is I'm writing my own function. What is that? So files or else print files. You can take any name. It's our own name only. User defined name. Just what I am doing is just I am passing f friends. That's it. So print files here user defined is not available. So what I am doing, I am creating my own method friends. I think let me go here. Yeah, already file has been created. I mean, what is that? Method has been created. In this one, what I am doing, friends, um, just to get the list of files, what should we do? Very simple. F dot one method is there. List files. List files is there, right? So then, what is the return type here? File array. Okay. Now if you pass what we are passing here, very simple, C drive we are passing. Now whenever you are calling list files, then what will be happen in C drive? What we are having in my mission, if you go to C drive, only folders are available, but sometimes C drive may have files as well, right? So all folder names, all file names will be copied into this array friends. So then it will return in a single dimensional array. So what I am doing is I am copying into this one friends. I hope you understood like this. So if you see, whenever you are calling list files, what will be happen? One array will be created like this. So the name of the array, what I am doing here, just I am giving files. Okay. Now dynamically the array will be created. So first what we are doing, we are calling this one, right? So C is having perflogs and program files users, right? So all the names will be copied here itself like this friends. Say program files, 1 minute. Say program files, perflogs. What are those? Users and Windows friends. Users and Windows like that, it will be copied. Now by using this array, you can iterate it friends. Okay. Now it's simple. I know normal for loop you can use it, or else you can use for each also. Just I am using one for each loop, and just I am taking one file f here, or else file name I am taking, column and files I am using. Instead of, if you have any doubts, no problem, just I am taking X here. Any name you can take it. Files is one dimensional array. So this it will iterate all the things. Now I am checking, what I am checking, whether this X is a file or not. See here in C drive, we may have folders and we may have files as well. So how can we check whether it is a folder or file? Very simple. Now I am checking, if condition I am taking friend, Ex is file, then what I am doing, simply system.out.println, I am displaying that file name. So no need to do anything friends. I mean I cannot go to, I'm not trying to go to that I'm inside the file, just I am trying to display that file name. But if it is a folder, what I am doing here, system.out.println, not only displaying that name. See here how we are displaying. If it is not file, then what will be happen? Definitely it is a folder. So X I am displaying. To differentiate, just I am appending one string. What is the directory like that? Just to understand differentiation purpose. Once the folder name is displayed, what I need to do? So the thing is, already per program files I have displayed. Assume that. So again, I have to go to program files and I have to display all the folders and the file names as well. Am I correct or not? In this case, what I am doing is simply I am calling same method once again. So what will be, this is called recursion. So which one you have to pass here? X you have to pass it. Okay, that's it friends. My job is done. Let me check whether it is working fine or not. And one more thing, if you want, you can take a try catch block as well. I mean, if you get any null pointer exception, I'm not handling any exceptions here. If you want, you can use a try catch. Okay, I think it should run. Let me check whether it is working fine or not. Yes. See friends, all the things which are available in the C drive, all are displaying here. Am I right? I think C drive is having lot of files, so the result it is taking more time, friends. Anyway, I am terminating the execution like this. Not only C drive, friends, you can give anything you can give. Here, if you see here, what is the input. You can give any specific folder or any folder name. You can give any drive name. You can give anything. You can give it, friends. Suppose I want to check, I don't want to check all seed, just I want to check in seed this folder only. Which folder? Program files. Then what will be happen, friends? Just we have to give this path. So don't give just only program files. You have to give complete path, friends. Otherwise you will get error. So 1 minute, let me give you here, friends. Program files slash, you have to change it. So now I have given folder name. So what it will check? Only it will check what are the folders and files available inside the program files. Okay, if you don't want to check entire directory, no problem. You can check only program files. Here also it will give. If you see here, what is that? Only program files. Okay, it will get it. Likewise, you can get all the things, friends. And okay, I hope you understood, friends. One small assignment, and how to count. Like I don't want to display all the files here. Just I want to count. I want to display number of files which are available, number of folders and number of files available in a given folder. How to check? Can you do that one? And please let me know in the comment section. That's it, friends. And yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, if you are not understanding, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll make a separate video on that, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.